Welcome to the Traces Trail, a trail marked easy on Skyline Drive in the Shenandoah National Park in the Mathews Arm area. This trail starts at a parking lot just off the registration area for the Mathews Arm campground. It is a 1.7-mile circuit around the campground and has 333 feet in elevation differences from the start. On this narrow path, you will see rocks, trees, and the remnants of a former home site. Around the midway point, you cross over a fire road, which we unintentionally took, and it cut our hike short, but the actual hike should take under 2 hours. See links below for the story of how this and other area home sites were seized, a link to a PDF that shows the Mathews Arm Area Road and Trail System maps, and Shenandoah National Park's main page.